Honorable Meshoe.
Thank you, House Chairperson. In the Police Committee's report on the performance of the Private Security Industry Regulatory Authority for 2024 and 2025, the committee raised concerns over weak oversight and the need for stronger compliance in the private security sector. In recent months, two serious matters have come to light. Firstly, the PSIRA has launched an investigation into a disturbing incident in which 6 security officers in Durban were caught on film assaulting a homeless man. Secondly, President Ramaphosa has authorized a probe by the Special Investigating Unit into the alleged maladministration of the PSIRA's training contracts. Despite millions of public funds spent, just 118 learners out of 6,500 have reportedly been accredited. When funds for training are misused, our economy suffers and learners are disadvantaged because resources meant to build skills and jobs are being wasted. And this obviously is a great concern to the ACDP. Chairperson, the ACDP further notes that 851 firearms have been confiscated and stored in collaboration with the SAPS. Given recent reports this week that some 2,500 SAPS firearms were reportedly stolen or lost over the last 4 years, would urge caution and far stricter protocols and oversight on how firearms, whether confiscated or issued to police officers, are securely stored.
Thank you, Honorable Meshoe. Your time has now expired.